It's Monday, March 8th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com, D7 here. And you will notice that I'm using a brand new setup. This is eSignal. I switched from my last one to a more robust system, more mature, and one that I've used in the past, and I keep going back to it. eSignal. And anyway, right here, the Dow's ended up. So did the Nasdaq and the Russells. Dow down slightly, a little bit of a pop right here in the VIX, but pretty low by anybody's standards at 17.6 here. And this is the S&P daily. Join a couple support lines. So what do we have right now at this time? What we have is we had this big monster run on Friday, then we made a higher high, higher low as of today. But we're pretty break even. Pretty break even here. I'm going to bring in some data. You can see this line right here at 1140. 1140 acting as resistance. And we went as high as 1141. But look how we just stalled out. And look at all of this mess over to the left. And I think that there's several areas of resistance internally here, but the big one is the obvious 1150. The big question is, can we get up there? If we can get up there, then the big question is, will we have a big major double top and drop? Because look at this. Look at this run we've had with higher highs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Not so much this one. 5, 6, at least 6. You could definitely say 7, if not 8 up days in a row. Statistically speaking, that's pretty extended by anybody's standards, and we are looking for a reversal. So we get this little spinning top, almost a doji. It's a point of indecision that could give us a drop. Right now we have gold over $81. Crude oil is still bouncing around. But be watching those commodities to see how they're playing out. If gold keeps rising, usually that's a commodity that people will buy when there's uncertainty in the market. So, to see that rising is interesting. And the VIX level's so low right now that we're at the, when the VIX is low, it's time to go, right? When the VIX is high, it's time to buy. Right now, we are pretty low as far as the markets are concerned. So anyway, there you are for today's broad market analysis. Tomorrow, we will be doing a little webinar, and let's talk about tonight's webinar. Tonight's webinar only for trading students, mentor students of ours. You will have received a invite. If you do not receive an invite from us and you are an FTV mentor student, send Mike_Williams at freetradingvideos.com an email and let him know, and we'll get you going. It's tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is our way to do weekly support sessions for anybody that's a student of ours. And if you want to go to that next level and become a real trader, not just play the game, but actually walk the walk. If you're ready to go to that level, we'll talk to you about our mentoring program tomorrow night, and be happy to set you up with that. Just go to services. When you go to services, just give us your name and information, and we'll make sure you get an invite to the free webinar. We can learn more about our mentoring program. Take care. Safe trading.